bananas, you say peppers. I forgot my microphone. My little fake baby microphone. Where is it? Once again, cleaning day. Today, I know I said this probably 2 months ago, but I think today I'm actually bringing in my fashion treadmill. I think I've told you guys about this, but like a couple months ago, literally, it's still in the box. A couple of months ago, I bought one of those flat treadmills to start making like fashion videos. I have to like literally pick up all of the magical, exciting things that are currently on my floor, like Christmas presents and items from past unboxings. But anyway, you guys, today we have our lovely Gashapon machine. I feel like I've only somehow made one video with this item. I don't know why I stopped there, because I have plenty of beautiful Gashapon for us to be opening. So that's what we're gonna do today, you guys, because I miss you guys. I don't even understand how it's been 6 days since my last upload. I have filmed so much since then, but I haven't stopped to edit any of it. So logic would tell you I should technically be editing now before I film something else, but send help. I feel like my other videos that I've been filming are like kind of elaborate. Like anytime I bring out 2 cameras, you guys, the editing gets difficult for me. I do have some cool stationery videos coming up, some crafting videos coming up, some satisfying videos coming up, but yeah, I thought, hey, let's open some Gashapon. I honestly don't know what I'm so feverishly looking for down here on the ground. I felt like I was gonna show you guys something. Today, I have some super rare Gashapon in here, all the way from Japan. You guys, I feel like I always say all the way from Japan in these videos. These I feel like are gonna be exciting for a couple of reasons. One being, this is a Bandai Gashapon machine, and the Gashapon that we're opening today, I feel like I'm not saying that right, Gashapon? Maybe that's how you pronounce that, I don't know. But the little balls in here are Bandai brand as well. So I know that I don't know. I'm thinking that these are going to dispense like super easily out of our machine. The last time we tested that was kind of one of the problems. I had these little balls from all over the place, and so some of them actually did dispense and fit in our little machine, but a lot of them were getting stuck and we had to fish them out of the top of the machine. We're gonna try and not have to do that today. Also, I feel like you guys are gonna love these because they are super realistic miniature keychains. Once again, like our little buddies we saw last week with the stationery. However, these are gonna be all like retro phones. I think that that's what's loaded in here right now. You guys, I put these in here like 2 weeks ago and we're just now filming today. So, you know what? I feel like I need to raise this machine. I have this box here. So let's go ahead and see. Is that enough? There we go. Now you guys can see the whole dispensing process. So this machine, I honestly don't know. These are like little weird clear coins. I don't think that these would work in this machine though. Oh, that's like you put how much it costs. Hello. Okay. I thought that this machine had come with some like plastic trial coins, but apparently not. That is why I have a bunch of nickels. I feel like we determined last time that nickels, theoretically, I don't know how many we have to open today. 8? Let's crack open our first egg. And oh my gosh, I'm gonna love these. Oh my God, this is like wrapped like it's never meant to be opened. Where are my scissors? I just had my special. Here they are. They never let me down. Oh my gosh. I feel like a friend of mine had a phone that looked really similar to this. So these are gonna be super detailed retro flip phones. I don't think they're all flip phones. I think some of them are also, oh my God, how cool would that be if you could push the buttons? But I think some are like, what was that called? Like the Nokia one that was just kind of like the candy bar brick phone. This antenna, maybe. It does. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So cute, you guys. I truly intend to make for myself this year. Finally, you would think it's the most difficult crafting project in the world I'm trying to do, but I want to make myself one of those custom beaded phone lanyard things with charms. How cute would it be to have like a retro phone keychain on an iPhone? Ew, so cute. I feel like I should keep these eggs. I am tempted to get, what is that, the Samsung Flip or something? They actually reissued one of the flip phones recently. Didn't they even do like a Motorola Razr? Why do I keep wanting to say Motorola? I have a Motorola Razr. Guys, I feel like I look like I'm like tearing up. I have such a dry throat this morning. I'm like, why do I keep coughing? Egg number 2. It's stuck. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Pink egg, pink phone. It's a sign. I don't know what it's a sign of, but this is definitely a model of phone that I do not recognize. So it's still a flip phone. I'm gonna look in a minute and see if I see any brand. But yeah, ooh, look at that. Almost does look like a Motorola Razr just because of like the rectangularness. SH90 3ITV. I don't know what that means. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is crazy. This felt a little wobbly and then I just momentarily thought that I broke it, but I think, yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh. Did anybody out there have this phone? It like can go either way. I thought maybe you could even like twist it, but I think you just have to pop it off. You guys, now it does not. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, it does kind of do that. It kind of twists. You just have to twist it the right way. There we go. And I keep breaking it, but it's okay because it just like snaps back on so easily, I was about to say. See, I'd be a little bit nervous to like maybe carry this one around. I feel like maybe the piece would come unattached and I wouldn't notice. All right, next egg. That is so loud, you guys, I'm sure. For you guys too. Next egg. Cracking open a yellow eggy wag. I keep like opening it and then like pushing the little clasp back down again. Ooh. Ooh, a different one, yes. A lot of these phones definitely looked really similar to ones that I remember like my friends having and I had. I had a Razr. I had another really cool phone too that looked a lot like this one, but it had a screen on the front. I don't remember what brand that one was. So a lot of these look really similar, I feel like, to phones that we had here. Something just slightly different. Oh my gosh. This whole thing like rotates. That's so cool. What model of phone is this? You guys, I feel like I'm so entranced by these little miniature phones that I'm not saying the single sentence I'm trying to say, which is I feel like these look really similar to phones that I remember like my friends having and kind of me having, but they're just a little bit different. I feel like Bandai makes a lot of like real branded minis, if that makes any sense. Kind of like mini brands and kind of like, once again, these stationary ones we saw where it was actual brands like Tombow and Pentel and stuff like that. So maybe these were real models of phones, but just not ones that I really remember seeing in the States. They're just like slightly different. Or maybe they did just make like realistic phone miniatures that weren't 100% based on real phones. I don't know. All right, let's, ooh, look at this. This is like kind of an interesting orange color. We have like a bright orange one in there, but this one slightly different. Let's see, what are we gonna get? Oh, this one is one of them that is like the same but different. It's another one of those flippy screen ones, except for this time it's like, I can't tell honestly, black, gray, or kind of like a chocolate color. So this is the companion phone to our red slash rose colored one. One more nickel, and then I'm gonna have to go in the back because I think we have 5 more after this. I think we had 10 to open today. I'm just saying everything like a question. I don't even know what I'm doing today. What am I doing? Ta-da! Is it kind of another repeat? I thought that there was going to be definitely more different makes and models. Oh my gosh, this is kind of cool because like this time we got a white phone and it came in this kind of white milky Gashapon case, and then we got the pink one in this one. That's kind of cool. Nope. Okay. I feel like I'm gonna break it. I noticed a tiny little antenna on the back, so I thought maybe this one had like a collapsible antenna as well, but it does not. This one just kind of makes me a little bit nervous, if I'm being honest, because I feel like I'm always twisting it the wrong way. Am I gonna break it? Oh, I'm not gonna. Nope. Now it's like in that kind of weird zone, you know? I need to get more nickels. I feel like nickels are like kind of something that you see less commonly these days. Less commonly. Is that what I'm trying to say? Okay, are we gonna get an orange phone in the orange bowl? I don't know if I ever remember really seeing an orange phone unless people had like an orange custom case on it. Oh my God, lo and behold, it's an orange phone. That is really, really cool. I guess it's because I bought a full set on Amazon Japan that we got this color coordinated egg situation. Ew, I think, nope, this is the same one as this one that we got. It just looks so different to me because it is such a cool, vibrant orange. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Swivel, collapse. Oh, it would be so cute if they did sidekicks. Do you guys remember the sidekick? I never had one of those, but I did somehow have a BlackBerry phone. A Palm Pilot. Wasn't it called a Palm Pilot? Oh my God. Ooh, okay, we got a purple egg. Are we gonna get a purple phone? I truly did not think an orange phone would be possible, but here we are. Is that purple? Ah, it looks kind of silvery. Oh, I think it's another model just like the one we just saw again. Ta-da! And does it? There we go. I really cannot tell if this is like a slight purpley or if it's just silver. It's like my eyes are not working today. I think 3 eggs left. Green. Now maybe I'm paying too close attention to like the color of the eggs because this is definitely not a green phone. Ooh, wait, okay, I think that this is like my favorite one. Yes. We got an all white version. Although I have to say, I like the silver one. I think just a little bit better. I feel like I do just associate like solid silver with retro technology. 2 more eggs. Ooh, smoky gray egg. Nice. Maybe I haven't had enough coffee today. Ta-da! What's it gonna be? Ooh, it's like the one I like. Yeah, this one is definitely my favorite. I love the concept of an antenna. Hello? Who's calling on my tiny phone? Although, have you guys seen the itty bitty teeny tiny phones on Wish and stuff? I want to order one of the tiny iPhones. Like, it's literally meant to be like a fake iPhone, obviously. I don't think it has any like Apple software loaded on it or anything, but it's meant to be like an itty bitty teeny tiny little iPhone. Last egg of the day. Ew. Royal blue egg. Ew. I can't tell what kind this is. You think I'd recognize them by now? No, I don't know why this one throws me off every single time. But It's that same one that, oh, this one works really good. This is maybe like the smoothest. Well, I say that. No, still probably the smoothest one. It's really easy to turn that way, but then not as easy to straighten up again. Can you guys imagine if you just pushed a button and it made like little ringing noise or something? Which honestly, that's not like too ridiculous for these miniature Gashapon keychains, because I have some that light up, they glow, they flash. So that would have been so cute if they would have just like made it make like a ringing sound or something if you push the button. I'm about to show you guys the chart. So we got 3 of each model, I think. So we got 3 of those swivel screen ones, 3 of these super cute ones, which honestly, if these had antennas, I feel like these would have been my favorite. And then we got 3 of the antenna phones in these 3 colorways. And you guys, I think my favorite one is still the first silver one that I opened. Here is the chart. It's all written in Japanese, but I do think that these are real phones, right? I mean, at least they made up like model numbers and stuff. So you guys have to let me know. Did you have a phone just like this? Did you have a friend that had a phone just like this? Let me know what y'all think of all of these adorable phone miniatures in the comments down below. And if you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers squad today. And until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!